Hello, welcome to this video. I am Janelle and I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. That's normal. And I'm gonna show you what I eat for breakfast today. But before I get into making breakfast, I usually preface my videos with like what they're gonna be about. Today I'm really winging it. Everything is gonna be a surprise to me and it's gonna be a surprise to you. I'm kind of getting down to like the last of my fresh produce that's in my fridge and on my counter, and I need to go grocery shopping today or tomorrow, so I'm kind of just figuring out what to do with a bunch of random things in my house like this mango. So I'm starving. I really need to eat breakfast, and so I'm gonna make chia pudding. The final product, we used mango puree, banana, coconut, soy milk, a little bit of almond yogurt, and some cacao nibs on top. It looks really yummy. I'm very hungry though, and I don't think I can wait the 30-ish minutes it'll take for it to thicken up and become a pudding. So I'm gonna eat the other half of my banana that didn't go in the pudding with some peanut butter. Is it the most nutritionally balanced snack? I don't know, but it's delicious and I'm hungry. I also just made these for Brad. It's protein chia pudding. It's so easy. You just take your protein powder that you're using and make a protein shake as you normally would, just with whatever plant milk you want and protein powder. Shake it up, pour it into your glass, add a couple tablespoons of chia seeds, and now instead of having a protein shake, you're getting extra benefits by getting more fiber and energy boosting protein from the chia seeds. So yeah, so good too. And now I get to drink the rest. All right, it's 10:41. I'm finally eating my breakfast. I can honestly say, I've never tried making mango chia pudding like this before, so it's really good. I'm actually really happily surprised. I like this. It's not too sweet. The mango puree makes it like just sweet enough. I added a little bit of that vanilla almond yogurt. That's nice. I could have also added a touch of vanilla extract. I think that would have been really good. Cinnamon would have been nice too. I'm going to be working out a little later, so I'm gonna eat this now. This will give me a lot of energy. I'll probably work out in about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go enjoy this and do some work and check in with you later. Brad's making hash browns. This is an unexpected surprise.
I love me some more than hash browns.
Woo! So Brad just got back from an appointment and decided he wanted hash browns. So he made some, and now I get to have hash browns. This is a real unexpected treat. Hey, can I get a fork? You didn't grab me a fork. Now I'm just editing my chia pudding. I just got home from my jog and a bug flew in my mouth. A bug flew in my mouth, like a big bug, like a fly or something. I managed to spit it out, but I'm pretty sure there's like a piece of it stuck in my throat. I'm so grossed out. Yeah. Well, I've since recovered from my bug flying in mouth debacle. We're just gonna move on with life. I'm really hungry, and it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. I have not eaten anything since hash browns around 11-ish, I wanna say. I've got a block of tofu pressing, so I'm gonna eat some snap peas just to snack on while the tofu presses. I'm gonna go have a shower. Then I'm gonna make lunch. Okay, I lied. I decided to make lunch before I had a shower. So I've got all these veggies and tofu sliced up to make spring rolls or salad rolls or summer rolls, whatever you want to call them. And I have some leftover rice to add in, and I'm gonna just use like soy sauce to give it some extra flavor because I didn't marinate the tofu, sriracha, and smoked kelp flakes. And they're so good. I love, 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 love. Yep, they're gonna be good. And I just made a really quick dipping sauce, which is peanut butter powder, rice vinegar, maple syrup, and gluten-free soy sauce. Yummy! Sounds so good. I am just about to start cooking dinner, but I'm hungry, so I am snacking on something before dinner. So we've got some edamame that warmed up with a little bit of salt. It's high in protein, delicious. These will tide me over until dinner, which I'm about to make, which is risotto. Yeah, I don't know what my deal has been today, but I've just been like super snacky all day. Had really, really late meals, had a late breakfast, super late lunch, and now I'm snacking when really I should be eating dinner. But hey, that's just life sometimes. Just gotta roll with it. Hello and welcome to dinner. Tonight we're doing some risotto here in my Instant Pot. I have a boatload, literally a boatload of veggies that are just absolutely in need of being used. I've just got this heating up and I'm gonna saute these and let them get all nice and cooked down a little bit, and then we'll add in some extra protein. I've got some chickpeas that I just rinsed and strained. It's gonna be delicious. I guess you could say I really am just winging dinner tonight, because it's just been one of those days where nothing has been planned out. I've just been kind of hoping I'd figure out every meal as I went, and luckily I've done a pretty decent job. We're just going to give everything a good stir, and I'm gonna put the lid on and let these cook down just for probably 5 minutes until they start to sweat out a bit. Now all I gotta do is add the rest of the ingredients and cook it. So I'm gonna add in, just kind of roughly measure out some basil. I don't know, probably a teaspoon, and another teaspoon of oregano. You can add whatever. Again, this is like a non-recipe recipe. You don't need a recipe for these kinds of one pot throw together meals. So, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of my arborio rice. Okay, so I've just stirred the rice in. Oh, I forgot the chickpeas. Haha. Okay, at this point, once everything has been stirred in, you can just turn off the saute function. Kind of press all the veggies and rice into generally one even layer, kind of just like this. Just kind of get it in the pot. Try to get as much of the rice off the side so that it cooks properly. And then we're just going to take our veggie broth, which is right here, and we're just going to pour that all in. Now I've got 4 cups of broth to 2 cups of rice, which is the pretty generic ratio. I am pleased. I am pleased. It smells very good. I'm gonna cook it on the rice setting for 10 minutes. Well, it automatically sets it to 10 when I hit the rice button. So it's sealed, and now I can walk away and, I don't know, go hang out with Brad. That is hot as balls. Whoa! Steamy. Okay, let's eat. This looks delicious. It smells lovely. Look at all those veggies. Well, if you could see, you would see all these veggies. Look at that. That is steamy. Very steamy. Very fitting for my channel. Oh, I don't know if you can see how much this is steaming, but it's hot. Okay, let's try this out. Hot, so hot. I like that. Not gonna lie, the veggies are a little mushy now. It's kind of a problem when you cook certain vegetables in the Instant Pot. Some of them kind of turn to mush, like the zucchini and the broccoli have kind of dissolved. But I mean, it tastes really good. This is like super comforting. So I'm gonna go sit on the couch with Brad. We're gonna watch some Netflix and eat these hot, steaming bowls of veggie risotto. I honestly don't think that I'm gonna have anything else to eat after this. And it's a shame because I actually have double chocolate zucchini muffins in my fridge that I was gonna have one after dinner, but I'm not anymore. This is my dinner and dessert. So this is where I leave you guys. And I hope this very ramshackle what I eat in a day video just gives you a really like honest view into like a very, very real day of what I ate at very random times, very random foods. So, but you know what? I'm happy, I'm full. I ate what I wanted when I wanted today, and it's all good. That's just how it goes sometimes, and it's not always pretty. If you made it this far into the video, you're a hero. I love you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe below. And I hope that you guys tune in for a future or past video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!